Okay, so I picked these up at Target the year before last. It might have been last year, but they did come out with these last year and the year before. They were $1, and you can see that it shows where you can put little treats inside, but I will not be using it for that. I will be using it for a banner, and here has the opening. And like I said, they had these last year and the year before, and I picked these up on clearance, and I'll be just taking out the little papers that were inside so I can go ahead and get started. Okay, the items I'll be using is a glue gun, the felt little carrots, and I did pre-make some. Also some twine I picked up at Target during the Christmas clearance for 60 cents. And I also picked up or will be using this hole punch. Also some scissors and just some batting that will be going in the carrots. So what I'll be doing is taking the stuffing and putting it inside the carrot, just kind of filling it and filling all the carrots, and just kind of tugging in the stuffing all the way to the bottom, just because there is a lot to fill in there. Okay, once I did that, I went ahead and glued it at the seams and just kind of pressed down. As you can see, I'll be adding the glue inside and just pressing down. So I'm adding it inside, and I learned to put a little bit, not a lot. Okay, once I was done with that, I took my carrot and just used a hole punch and punched a hole through the little side so I could put twine through there. And I just did it twice because the felt wasn't going through. Took the twine and cut it to the length I wanted and put it through the hole and in through the back. Then I got some tape, so this is how I'll be hanging it up. I didn't want anything permanent, so I grabbed just some Scotch tape so I can tape it to this cabinet that I have, and you'll be seeing how I put that up. Yes, the struggle got real. I was trying to do this with one hand and it was kind of a fail, but I was able to put the tape on the top of the shelf and just kind of secure it down. As you can see, it was a little bit hard to film, but I will show you guys how it ended up turning out. So this is the end result of my banner, and I thought it looked cute. I had found one at Home Goods for $10, and this literally costed me 10 cents. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later.